In this episode, we're going to be doing some deep cleaning. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm cleaning, you know what to do. Stick around. As you see, I have made a complete mess of the oven. Now, I was taking something out the oven last night and I didn't have my hand right in the towel and it kind of burnt me, and the liquid or fluid or juice, however you want to say it, poured on the oven door and down below. See right there on the trim, it burnt that. Now that right there I'm going to have to scrub by hand. I can't put the easy off in there, but it got it there. And the door is ugly, I know. But what I'm using is the Easy Off fume free oven cleaner. Okay, so I got that on there, and I'm going to come back and clean this oven and put it, it's a gas stove, and put it back, all the parts back in that I took out, which are right here. The bars, one is in the pantry, I get it out and clean it, and then this tray on the bottom, and then this goes at the very bottom, right here. This part goes at the very bottom, then this tray to catch any spillage or whatever, and then both racks. So I will be cleaning the oven today, making it look all pretty. So here we go. Okay, I'm definitely trying the lazy way. I sprayed the racks with Easy Off and set them outside. Now I'm going to take them in and store them in the sink. And whatever it comes out to be, that's it. I don't have any ammonia, so I tried to do the lazy way. Let's see how much it takes off. Definitely have to get some ammonia and clean them with ammonia, because this is not from my use. This is from the old owner's use of the stove, and it really needs to be cleaned. A lot is coming off with the Easy Off, but there's still some that's sticking to it. And I really hope that the lazy way will take off more than this, but it took off more than I expected, though. Okay, they've been scrubbed down with this pad here. Let me rinse this one off and put it over here to dry when I get the other one. Okay, one down, one to go. Let's see how this one does. Now this one was nastier than that one. A lot has come off of this one, but not like I really would like. I like it to be spotless, exactly. But a lot come off. There's still a lot on the back. Still not to my liking, but I'm gonna have to get some ammonia. I thought I had some here, but I don't have any ammonia, so I'll have to get some. So I'm gonna take one off. That spot come off. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get some ammonia. Okay. Now let's get these drawn and in the oven. I'm going to tell you, they are cleaner than they were, but I don't want any gunk on them. So I will be getting some ammonia and redoing them. And when I get the ammonia, I'm going to show you guys step by step how I clean them with ammonia. Yeah, your girl has been at it a bit trying to get this clean. Okay. Now, we're going to put these in the oven. And I'm going to turn on the oven to let it, cook everything. So, be right back. Okay, now that the racks are put in, and the next time I'm going to show you how I clean the side racks and these racks. I'm going to clean them with ammonia. I did the lazy way because I didn't have any ammonia to clean them with. Now that the stove top is clean and the oven is cleaned out, now I have a clean oven. I'm going to test my burners to make sure that all my burners come on after me cleaning it. Okay, let's start with burner 1. Burner 1. 2. 3. Burners are working. I didn't break anything. Okay. Now that the burners are working, the stove is clean, the stove top, and the oven is clean. Job well done for deep clean. So let me know down below, what do you think of my cleaning video of this oven? I still am going to come back with a video showing you how to clean the racks with ammonia. So let me know what you think down below, and if you're up for the ammonia cleaning video. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, it helps me. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.